Okay, so let's look at certain, civil, and clear. So certain, to be confident about something. You know something's going to happen. I am certain I have been here before. I'm certain I've been here before. How certain are you that they will come? How certain are you? Not very certain? Or very certain? Not very certain or very certain? She is certain that the plan will work. She is certain the plan will work. She knows it will happen. I am certain it will work. Yes. How cool is that? And civil, to be kind and respectable. You need to be civil when talking to them. You need to know when to be civil. Yes. Being civil is the sign of intelligence. Being civil, being polite, is a sign of intelligence. Yeah. When you are civil, then people treat you nicer. Makes sense. Unless you are civil, people might overlook you. Yeah. Overlook, ignore, really. Ignore. And clear, to be understood easily. I wrote some clear instructions. That was a clear command. Yes. But also, a view without anything in the way. So, without a view, without things blocking your sight. Clear. Clear. It is a clear sky without any clouds. We should have a clear view of the city atop the mountain. It is a clear view from the hill. Aha. We have a clear sky over the city. It's a clear view when you look out the window. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So certain, confident something's going to happen. Civil, kind and respectable. Clear, easily understood. And a view without any obstructions. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.